Hi, my name is Anastasia. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that button so you're not going to miss any of my videos anymore. So today I would love to share with you a method which called knotted braids. So it's easy and cool way how to style your hair, and you don't need much for it, and it's really fast method to do something with your hair. So what do you need for it? You just need a comb, hair comb, any whatever you like the most. You need two elastics, and that's it, and your hands. So I decided to do my two braids, and I decided to do part not in the middle but more on the side, and I decided to do the zigzag parting just to make it a little bit more different. So, and before starting, when I did the part, I separated my hair. Already did that, see? And I separated one side so that it's not on the way from another one. So it's just easier to manipulate hair this way. So in order to do this knotted braids, you can do it in two different ways. You can do the knots and you can do them really tight. So let's say you have too much hair and you just need to calm them down, so you can do tighter knots, or you can do them a little bit more relaxed, and then at the end you can take off some hair and make it a little bit more volumizing, more bigger. So that's it, let's start. So in order to do that, and I just washed my hair, I didn't put any product on it, and it depends on your hair what you need. Let's say when my hair are just washed, they're a little bit fuzzy. So, you know, like, and sometimes maybe it's good to put some product to escape this fuzziness. So, in order to start, you take some hair, right? And you're dividing this in two. Okay, you have this two, and then you do a knot, just like that. A normal knot, everyone knows how to do a knot, see? A knot, just like that. And then keep them separate. You take another piece of hair and adding it to existing ones from one side. So I added from one side, and now I'm going to add it more hair from another side. Okay, so now you again you have two pieces, and now you're making a knot out of it again. See, we have two knots. Okay, one side is done, so now we're going to do the other one. Now I'm going to do exactly the same for the second side of my hair. And here we go. There are two of them. They're super cute. They're super easy. And of course, just because I did the side on the part, right, like on not on the middle, so they are going to look a little bit different with the different size. This one's going to look bigger than this one, but again, it's up to you. You can make your part in the middle, and then they're going to look the same. But this is personally for me. I really like to have it's on a side. So again, so that's the look. That's this side. And then this one is a little smaller. And again, you can play around, and I made them pretty tight. If you want, you can make them a little bigger by pulling a little bit hair like this. And then you make them a little bit more, like more volume. Same on this side. Okay, you can pull a little bit of hair from here and there and make them a little bit more different. Awesome, you can do different things. After you did the braid, you can leave them as is and just the hair flat like that. Or if you would like to make it a little bit more interesting, you can do some couple different quick styles with your hair. So I did this little bun in here, and it's really super easy to do. I'll show you guys. So what do you need to do? You just need one pin, right? And so see what I have. I have just hair. And I'm just doing this, right? Just a little thing. And then around with the hair, what's left, right? Around. So it's like messy, but that's okay. That's the point, right? And then you take a little pin and you just fix the hair. Okay? Something like that, right? And then you can do another way. You can hide all this hair underneath your braid. So you're stuffing it just underneath. And again, using pins to fix it so it's not falling out. Just like that. Look at this beauty. So there are several ways how you can wear it. You can wear it with your hair down. You can hide your hair underneath your braid, or you can do a little bun on the bottom. So it's up to you how you would love to wear it, but I think it's absolutely cool, absolutely beautiful, and creative ways how to do simple hair but still look really fantastic. This is the quick and short tutorial how to do knotted braids. Thank you so much, guys, for being with me, and hope you really liked my video. And if you have any comments, please comment below, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.